Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about a love spell that is very amazing, and I am giving you a surety while chanting this love spell you are also going to enjoy this love spell. This love spell is to get your ex back, and very easy love spell and no age required for that. You have to do certain things for this love spell, and you have to take a plain paper, a pen, nothing required. After these two things, what you are going to do, you have to follow some instruction. The most important thing to do this love spell, that you have to do this spell at evening. After moon comes out, you have to do this love spell at evening after moon come out. No one should interrupt you or stop you, or no one should watch you while doing this love spell. What you have to do, you have to know only the name of your lover, ex, and the person where he is living. That's it. No ingredients required. This is no thing you have to throw in the front of them. You don't have to say any words, any word to lover. This is easy spell, and hope you can see this. And what you have to do, you have to make a circle like this. You have to make a circle like this. After you made this circle, what you have to do, you have to make a dot in it with an idea, and you have to write your lover's name. For example, her name is Sophia. You have to write her name in around this, and then you have to write your name. For example, your name is Rock. You have to write it like this. Hope you can see it. And then you have to do whatever you have to. You have to write your name on the up of the girl's name, and then you have to write her name on the up of your name. And what you have to do, you have to write these words. The words is Alam, Bilam. Then you have to write your lover's name, Sophia, Bilam, Alam, then your name, and then you have to make 3 circles down of these, and you have to write here in the end of this, moon light spell. This spell only work in moonlights. means the moon should come out, and then you have to make these lines on these words, like these are attracting this thing, and then you have to fold it up and you have to keep this paper with you in just 20 minutes. After that you would see that person is trying to contact you. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.